Now, was on several occasions. Nana Jantuah enene enhyira FM mu show no mu ye na no pa no. Eyam bezo mu kire mu say NPP for ade enti omu lose election no, de enti 24 mu lose ye eni ade omu ka bia no say economy and na omu ya hantan na omu ya dwe na omu ya this a whole lot of issue. But NPP of Foley Maxwell any other communicators abechire mu do mu kire say eyentro ana Mahama the winning 24 aba no na mema wonchire mu medwudwane ma bi abibie na so mu ahunu no akere wadwe ama me e wo comment section hi Penyah block media meso say any dey mu obe like video no ada ma bo subscribe button some be click notification icon for latest update na be kere wadwe dey ama me e wo comment section so ba so no share photo nya bi ahwe. Now you know, as I am telling you no, the same way Nana Jantuah mu gotro show no so a oh ni akire mu and NPP ahomaso ni dwe ye kasa no mu ntie they were not listening. Minim senkana Akufo-Addo panyini no chair Nana Jantuah no. There be omeji Nana Jantuah nyansa ene mfemu Ghana da na mentimi nkyere. Ni ntimi nkyere se ye kasa na wontie, wo kasa na wo Akufo-Addo ntie. Se wo fi mo kasa o. Mo kasa papa. Mo bi mo kasa papa. Wo kasa na Akufo-Addo ntie. Na who you be? Wo ya hwan ya? Wo ya hwan? Mo bi mo kasa o. Mo me se me hwe senior this so-called journalists omusi dwa wo mu Ghana ha no mu a eya no ho ya besere I wish say enke emubu wo no mu anka one day ye betimi ni Ghana konwa na ma no so the ontena konwa so bosumi ba akope na ehwe nkwase ade obedi ebi mu kasa dodo wo kasa Akufo-Addo ntie eti omu ye dwe arrogance of power they were this they were that no say that beto aso Mahama they were humble. So, okay, can't say one not better out to Mahama they were humble. Or then what maybe I just say, or better just NPP before they were so arrogant. Or no kasa, then this for NPP before and fat. Or no kasa, or wouldn't you know, no more there, or we are arrogant, or we are then a whole lot of issue. And will be a eka. But I was only with the dance, you say. You heard 204 now. Boss and this boss, in fact, no more boss and a more pa. In fact, then this is for boss no. No more imagine, say, Obito Coco back 31 million. No, I beg oh, Massa, oh, Simo, oh, Bumokasia, me ba. Man, Toko Coco, and 65 million. Count to mammy, Obeto mammy. How does it? Obeto mammy. And young Kosehui. Because Coco propaganda and Umquen Sehui. Sehui name this vocodina to force and Kujina ye. Ever cousin Kosanka buying to Coco back 65 million. And Sehui NDC chairman. Sehui Budi Sehui Bodi so. A crony BOODI. Sehui Bodi Monfanasa. A crony spelling BOOD want to Bodi Sehui Bodi. NDC channel on your friend Kofi Adu say akwadie. Or make it post what I say. The government and Cocoa Board is in a very tight spot with a sharp drop in wet market price and appreciation of the cedi. Just say Cocoa Board see around the bay. Now so ya she eja guniche because you know ya the cocoa e drama inswa. Ya the cocoa drama inswa. E bo na ye ton ho no e bo ne swati. First ebi amos no dollar so asabete so anima we nyina so affect cocoa prices. The board is currently losing over 2,000 cedis per ton of cocoa purchase. For Cocoa Board to have a breathing space is either the farm gate price is reduced, which is political suicide, or allow the cedi depreciate to maybe 14 or 15 cedis, or too much politics is not good, or no kuro who say the way NDC see politics in opposition, no, and this is coming from NDC chairman. Always everybody. You want to say now, say Coco, and never was betting my balance. I just say one. And yeah, Omo opin the farm gate price, and on M1 and suicide, political suicide. Because I know there, ye jama kululu no illegalities in our course. Yeah, my question is, do be hey, the person yeah ubet you glass ma go akọ ton ko di wa earlier political suicide agase we say bomb machi okura ka mutimi nyina no e bia we so kire say earlier say be say yenya proper eyi a e de yensa masidi no enko gina 14 and 15 say be betimi a balance because now no mo share boss ko beto koko by 65 million. Unfortunately for you no world market e bonus akọ dollar so ever form. They never thought say cocoa ene dollar ene nam na ko so ko say Ghana akuafo ntirimu say cocoa no dollar 7 dey you say cocoa so tia say ya $10 so cocoa bo mesa ba form but omo I forget because no matter fi 8 years e ba konwa bedi ene no mo ka nsem ye ba ayifo ye be mam wey women development bank be bia mam ye ba ye mam wey just say na NG first mo kan emu ehwam eno ana Ghana for no abechiro ma yomu kire say NDC said Nana Jantuah mo trainer Arrogance of Power no na Mahama do humble ana den also mo da munya sanse America NDC e de atro e bet na Ghana konwa so na e hanti wo
omo ye more attractive than NPP. Why? Because yeti o mam koko akuafo nyina ye nananum koko akuafo me chia wo Nana do dan ko akufo ado fa konwa na koko bag of koko ye 460 Ghana cedis 2024 na abegina 3,100 per bag. Me ne John Mahama. Yemfa ne se we cocoa farmer. Me se moto aba ne mamia. Me mamu 6,000 per bag. That same cocoa bag na President Akufo-Addo dey about 3,100 akuafo obo omu nsemu no. Mahama so be ma ye 6,000 there. Asemu dey head. Akoko e bi kura ba wo we. Ka wo support NPP kakra kura. Ba wo dan ya wo si ye wo lento untimi mo so. Edu ba yo ho NPP ama 6,000 abo. There be afidi e be science. Me pa cho science ne koko bo ne yesen. Tina nsam ni bi wa ne emu hwam dodo. Eti e ma NDC ba ye more attractive than us. Me mpese ye de adwene be koso se na ba omia bi ye kremoni ntia Christopher ne do so mo ntoma no. No, that is a non-starter. It shouldn't come in at all. I'll see 5 issues, one after the other. 24-hour economy. In fact, me akra na me a politician no. Asamne na ya me dedodo. Seriously. Adwuma nipa ba ko ye yase de nipa miensa na ebe ye. Really? What you wanna wonya adwuma masa obeto ama party be. We ever say we engineer also municipal assembly.
Yeah.
Ebo no onuma wa to office mu wapon. Me ne John Mahama. Me promise Bernard. Say Bernard. Oba presla adoma. Wana akoso to oboto maniska we tertiary institution. Say what to abama me adwuma nipa ba ko ye me de nipa miensa na be ye. Bernard so be grandpa or sympathize with NPP. Ne be gusu tifie. Enti obetima no ho NPP ama presla adoma atena fie. Da bi afi de be science. That's science. 12 months into NDC's administration, me patcho adwuma nipa ba ko ye nipa miensa be ye na ewo he.
Right.
Oh, they may patch. What has it been worsening their case?
Is it not too early?
How many months did it take?
A year, no.
Mami Musa wa yiba. Free SHS. Sika ye di free SHS. Over 2 billion a year. Any 24-hour economy. I must single out just one aspect of the numerous sectors or which is employing people. One person equal for 3 Juma ba equal for 3 shift, which was more difficult to start.
But so free SHS sika omudi komwa it's even increased.
Enye no na make Sunday ya yewi na mo say
no wo dey emfatum na me no ba
eno ya yewi ya mama hunu say sika free oil side no ye de bewura ho ebe ye tie enyim the source of funding eno dey than baby population increasing go eno so be increasing right. You know that one is automatic. The mention say implementing free SHS any 24-hour economy, which is better. It took us less than 8 months to do that. So you cannot tell me adwuma no 133 by now say nko 122 ne wo say adwuma afa ba ko kra ka ho a ebe wo say ni da so.
But you know say it needs infrastructure and other things.
It doesn't need any infrastructure. So a municipal assembly, Oforikrom municipal assembly, one office na we use say ati say wo ha no ma afa ne ebesi ni office for frama host for frama na ono so abetene ma na there be wo no be pon esu be 8 hours no wapon na me maba na be na daba. Yeah, can
jobs in the like
no jobs.
Yes, funded the job capacity. No.
Wait, I know what you say.
There be me.
Almost say your workforce. Your workforce na juma nipa ba ko ye na yedi nipa mien nu be ka ho. Yankasi by expanding infrastructure now.
But you agree with me, sir, it will need an expansion.
Expansion how? Me say
productivity ni part of one
you don't know no minimum way.
Anything American say wouldn't say a reality.
Yes, nobody is talking reality here.
Okay.
We are talking about their promise.
Okay.
Okay, asemo mo kan ti me pa che say sa lies na ya tro na wa kura won say its implementation very difficult. Eti na say we try so be realistic about
yes, I'm just
yes, and I make sure say we try so be reality. One say it's even impossible.
Eti na make say within 1 year can you hold them that way? Because reality no all the 1 year be
1 year na gro be so esi fra no pa we say nkiye hunu bibi.
Well,
ti me say NDC atro no ma wo ho ye attractive than NPP. If I don't them right. Yeah, mammy Jane no poku ajiman. Baby will be amateur. No, mammy was me penasam say, ni hu ni asem.
Okay.
So when you typical politician, it will cast a Ghana for some. Me pacho a doom branch of Women's Bank na abi. Kejetia de na sha se da bay.
Women Bank no.
Yes. Ya come on here the day.
There is one thing beti hey, I don't support. You bet me my banks na wo dada no. I run a certain aspects be their mawon.
Me no me only me patch said they wo dwene sa na me dwene. Enioma NDC atra wo mu di ye no. Emo omo hu eya akono esen ye. That's the point I'm making. And I'm happy you are thinking on that same line. We know that it's going to be impossible. In their 2008 manifesto, Mabeka several times on studio. I say, Omu dia yibi shem some bema Ghana for boss. Abano na enye Women's Bank say ya. Almost say ombema slums are cities. In fact, I would Diana and chance an area brown. Ibama loan. Nadia refurbish structure. No, uni fence wa. When we now 2008 manifesto. Omo ntimi anye. Ti ya kan say yanimu wa se bi yen hwe na. Ba se bi o ya ma mi bedi animu no. E ma no mo ho, ese ye wo ho. Enye se ye agya mumu o. Ye bo ma ni gvetire se be ya. Omo nwuma ni gina ye a mu yi a yenso ye betimi ayi. Asem ne na e dedodo. 12 months into NDC's administration, what has happened to the Women's Bank? And some make us winning and say, giving the same opportunity. Nipa bebre ho omugina defe same way so to abeti aya. Sa woman akwanya ni bi wa obese sanensa. Galam say nsuo bo wa wo say ebo me. Hey,
the NPP had 8 years. So.
That's the point I'm making.
Okay.
But kasa nem say unyanti argument no.
Oh, I get you. I get you perfectly. But looking at the period of justification.
They say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the problem. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is a Muslim. And a Christopher one doors who the neighbor be a young tomano. But I say issues a man you lose to election. And tina mama ko fasa anu ma we nyina aba. Galam say nsuo bo wa o say ebo me. Me say ye hu say any da so wo with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Say sad the neighbor be o.
But he was part of the same
nobody
leadership.
Is absorbing him from blame.
Okay.
Because what we need, yeah, we have a case of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and who ni asem. But the same pool and I know best selected from. Okay. The same pool na ye ho afono Ghana for. Anameboa. Nti ye kan say en quote nefi.
Right.
Galam say for instance, Sebio ensuo bo wa ase abomi. So ma so for ne ti wo mo hu montene so na me ka kire mo say ade ana misuro na si. De be ye nya ye. What you say? NDC for say NPP for na ye Galam say. Yese ukona nado kuromukura na busu afie ni fie afichire ehokura ye Galam say. Ghana for civil society for will be a team. Ghana for the ho before yensuo say ya to abeti NPP ya ba beti na fie. Me pa cho President Mahama na ye o NDC ni. Ni ministers ye NDC for. Ni DC is nyina ye NDC for. Me pa cho adan no mo koso ahwa ma NPP for say yensuo. Me busaw. Adan na bepem ne President Mahama na ministers na appointees. Mo buso ahwa ma NPP for say yensuo. Say ye no krese NPP for na ye Galamsey. Enti mo dimenchi wo mo bepem ne. The American question say will be all the Galamsey who obufu to tia ye no.
All right.
And nine years ama na kwanya. Ye sure say decision will take ye no. Obadwene ho bio. The American question say NPP for nyina. Mom yanka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Nimdie eni nyansa nyame de adom no eni seso. Bebreka economy say NDC for buy economy o ma ye dey all because of the dollar. And then NDC for ya fa dollar no mo ntimi nya hwe. Apart from apart from gold board, ma tout wo say gold ya ba betoto and na amasi na stabilizing. In any case, you must have a gold purchase arrangement.
Gold for reserve.
Gold for reserve. One at the buy. If you kwa penyin penso, Maybe news sao. NDC first 8 years and President Mahama vice president and later president. Or more intimate to gold BNC. NPP first term crown ya to gold NC. Kopim say nyenya bo wiase nyina. Afa de watcher can
no gold that you to see there. So you and I are aware. Say or may you reserve gold dada. But how the much? Policy itself.
How much?
Only a reserve, but endorse cry.
Say reserve. And on a near to cry.
PMMC is not dead bone yesterday. And you see a Togo. No, let's face that fact. All right.
Yeah, 8 tons of gold na near one cry. Then you deliberate purchase at Bank of Ghana ton. You turn on international market.
But we have a reserve.
May say, then 8 tons of gold no. It was an international requirement say as part of managing forex no.
Yeah.
Also would be.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is deliberate. It is completely different from what the initiative Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
I don't fault Bawumia because a deliberate attempt. Yes. Good. I support the idea. It was a perfect one. But what I'm saying is that so we can say no any fees are impact.
And then I'm in this $5 no as we speak. One more bomb suffer.
And then because who share 24-hour economy now, you to be a Juma ye. If I appreciate this is a brave, this is Mancaso, a BC, a Cropon, a BC, a Buaqua, a free African tell you to know, I'm not Brempo.
I'm for
you to know Mugana Hano. Amada,
Dabeno.
Oh,
And then Naoka.
Then you 25 be a cost come okay. Obianda. Where, and you may boo
24-hour economy, my
may say, you may boo. Dear, and you may not boo, I'm a be yet. The Women's Development Bangi. A bangi, a business, me free man Grasube, yes, shan, the form by Yamo Musica, Manga, send the function of
Mangazu for your mother.
The Kenetia, Uyana, Kenetia, Uye,
and what the dear, what Africa from Margin,
hear me say, Kenetia, Shabans here, John Mahama, and this
Women Development.
Oh, I get the form by your more Tomu,
it's fine.
Me say, I'm more Tomu, they say, by knowing who are plan pony when ya. Apply na wenya emai omgodo man ade ya togusi ye to omonya sika Ghana form man wan to mu omonya sika e de show mamu e okrom ha sa na mi ye peso oka amani koye
Okay.
amani koye dabi amani koye adwuma wura ya adwuma wura initiative fi adwuma na buai enkwahwe enkwai omonya je e wo so gomanum Ghana say from jai man adwuma na bu especially initiative there omaka Trees for Life ya launch feed Ghana we aduane abua me say obi atimi di ara na ho atono sa na mi nua ni John Mahama omuka che Ghana fo obi a ho atono ye kwa nyina ya ye ezakopon hai anpa ya ka den akun obi ye kwa nyina ya ye okom ha ye ho to ye. This is how sycophantic you people are. Sa na omuka che Ghana fo aren't you ashamed mun fere me say mun fere and the moon and the one was in Wadadam. Emo bay. On my serious over traffic, you can see my best overcome was them as a young crabby. Industrial evolution. What China? I'm telling you today, a diagram here, a mobile house. Otta, you done free on it. It so the amount. You are here thinking about rice. I'm a phone, but I'm going to say about Azano. You can't want some say, me and can't want them. You can't want them, and I'm a Jana passport, and I want who initiated digitalization. Yeah, I'm funny, James Famano. Look, I'm saying now, passport, or pure visionary. I didn't want to be conquer. But Jana Muna, one, who say, yeah, visionary, no, can say, no, can say, a 24 ma, almost on good doma. Yan touch you no more, I'm going down, no sorry about.
And Omuko,
me say, Omukwa, no more for sorry about, and I put the swati, Ghana, and for Unchem baby, Fango, and one. Unchem baby, Fango, Neba, Abafu, Ewa, a Yasa Manso, never be about this and when the Binamu Yusua. O catch me say, Abamba na Bentia. Me say, Pay, Yari Boko was a chimney 2 to 2 yano, and what out of young Gotom. Me say, Aria. A book was a chimney through the stocks ban my experience. Obina me say government is continuous. No, just a share. Me say I did behind this experience be upgrade of what NPP did. Gold board, the brain chart, domestic gold program. Obia one name, domestic gold process program. Feed Ghana, planting for food and jobs. open can go. You should name them.
And say na you responsible mining na you say community mining.
Bibia community mining. Adebia mu enjebia no obi na asese. Moje baba na maye ogroma. Don't remember mama onim hu ma atia. Enkwan kasa ono gwampu na afa no. Ade nsam. Me say
Ozufi mankanso na eba.
Why?
One was a more power to mankan omo yo. Contractors
from time memorial from 1992. Ebe say aban ben na eba ya wanya kwan bonidi. Me say aban ben no ba wanya kwan. Etuon po de yetim fa we me politics.
Okay.
Aban ben na opa me sem nchaw. Ebu kwa hwan na ye. Ebu kwa hwan na ye. Aban ben na ba wanya kwan. Etuon ba tu glory. Ebe this how sycophantic we hypocrite. Yeah, me say me dead simple so a. Mama kind of one who said dia koso no. Enye say ne mama beka kire ye. What could see manifesto aka mun sem na be Ghana for so bam, see I go school free. And the University of Ghana also two school fees 25%. And then the guru and then go for obu pension administration. Is that who ya me catch now? Go and take it. And who goes school? I only go school when I am successful. Or investing. What promising no stress free or whatever? Is it no stress free, no fee stress or whatever? And then University of Ghana campus. Who needs accommodation? Accommodation by two. When increasing by two, sometimes now we have 3,000 and no go 6,000 plus. And we sit here say abam papa. Share obia ono okoto petru. Me isuka. Fasobe na minya oso. Fasobe na minya oso.
Yo vepfroka.
Na for car fa ni ateso. Bibisa o. Fa ni ateso.
Eno ni asem.
Me se fa ni ateso.
Ende am judi.
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.